let's do this one quick and fun. Just a line right here, that'll be the top of him. Then what we're gonna do is draw his eyebrows like that. One line like this. Like that. Another one like this. And like that. It's just a V, really, isn't it? We'll color that in later. Very nice. And now we can draw a beak right about here. So another triangle-y bit like this. There we go. Give it a bit of a curve there, that's nice. And then another triangle, an upside down triangle right here. Don't put it all the way over, just right about there. I like that, that's fun. Now we can draw his round eyes right here like this. And the other round eye right here like that. Alrighty there, we can make them meet up like that. Big old pupil here, and another big old pupil there. This is looking good. Now we can continue this round circle here, right around like this. He's a little bit egg-shaped a bit, but not much. Just like that, if you can do that, that's nice. Give him some fun feathers here. 1, 2 over here like that. Tuck him in like that. Looking good. Now we'll give him some texture on his body. So let's bring this on up like this. And down line there, right about there. Looking good. Maybe a little spots. Some spots on him, eh? There we go, a little bit there, a little bit there. And we can color these in later. Oh, I like it. Very nice, everybody. And look, it's the red angry bird. Let's get to the color and make him red. Bird has red feathers, brown light bottom, a yellow beak, dark red spots, black eyes and dark eyebrows. Thanks, everyone.